Welcome to the My Courses Overview video. In this video, we'll cover importing classes, using Find and Assign, viewing assignments from My Courses, viewing reports from My Courses, and how to update your teacher preferences. When teachers log in, they arrive on the My Courses homepage, the starting point for navigating classes and ASSISTments. Each class card displays the class name, student count, and quick access icons, one to assignments and one to class reports. Teachers can still access Find and Assign from the left-hand navigation menu to browse and assign from our content library. Importing classes. If you're new to ASSISTments, you'll receive a message on the My Courses homepage prompting you to import classes. Click Import Classes and choose the classes you wish to import and select Import. Once your classes appear, you're ready to assign content through Find and Assign. If you're a returning teacher, your existing imported classes will already appear as class cards. You can import additional classes through your teacher preferences. Find and Assign. Find and Assign allows you to browse available content by curriculum or by Common Core standard. From here, you can browse content, select problem sets, and assign them to your students. Viewing assignments in My Courses. When you click on the assignments icon from the My Courses homepage, you'll be taken to the assignments list. This page shows all the assignments you've created for that class, including the assignment name, number of student submissions, release date, and due date if one was set. You can filter assignments by type, standards, or school terms. Available types include test mode, timed assignments, redo assignments, and skill builders. Terms can be managed through your teacher preferences, which will be covered later in this video. When you hover over the submissions column, a tooltip appears showing the names of students who have not yet completed the assignment. Bulk upload to LMS. Teachers can now upload grades from multiple assignments at once to their connected LMS. From the assignments list, check the box next to one or more assignments, select Upload to LMS, Canvas, Google Classroom, or Schoology. Confirm the upload. All selected assignment scores will be pushed to your LMS gradebook. Viewing reports in My Courses. When you click the report icon from a class card, you'll open the class report for that class. The class report gives you a snapshot of student performance across all assignments. You'll see a class averages graph showing average scores and completion rates, and a detailed report breaking down performance by student. Click on any assignment name to open its assignment report, or click a student's name to open their student progress report. You can also navigate to the student progress reports by using the drop-down to select different student progress reports. Teacher preferences. Teachers can customize their experience in teacher preferences by selecting their name in the lower left corner. Within teacher preferences, teachers can update account information, set preferences such as time zone, curriculum, grade level, and state standards, adjust feature settings for test mode, student supports, and score delivery, import or synchronize classes with their LMS. Now you know how to navigate ASSISTments, from importing classes and assigning content, to viewing assignments, reports, and managing your teacher preferences.